Welcome back to Business English. Last episode, we talked about apology, business apology. Today, let's talk about the next episode. So, 2 weeks after the apology, the company GreenTech had asked for an updated presentation. The deadline was Friday, 3 p.m. This time, May was determined not to repeat the same mistake. So on Tuesday morning, she sent a gentle message to Peter. Hi, Peter. Just a quick reminder that the slides are due Thursday so that we can review them before Friday's meeting. No reply. Oh. On Thursday morning, she tried again. Hi, Peter. Could you please send the final version by 3 p.m.? We need to check it. We need to check everything for the client. By 5 o'clock, her inbox was still quiet, still nothing. So she typed one last message. This is a final reminder. The deadline has passed. Please send the file as soon as possible. At 5:30, Peter appeared at her desk. I'm so sorry, May. My computer froze and I lost half the slides. May exhaled. It's okay. Send what you have. I'll help you finish. The next day, John checked their emails and nodded. Good follow up. Your reminders were polite but firm, and that's professional. Now let's pause there. May used three different tones. Let's look at them. First, just a quick reminder that is a gentle, friendly, and used early. Two, the second reminder, could you please send? Could you please send? It's neutral, clear, and polite. Third, this is the final reminder. Stern, firm, but still respectful. You're telling a fact. This is my final reminder. A final reminder. Small words change tone. Adding just, please, or could you softens a sentence. Removing them makes it sharp. Compare with me. Just checking. Just checking if you've received my email. That's soft. Please send the report by Friday. That's neutral. Please send. Send the report by Friday. That's very direct. All are correct. The difference is the tone and timing. Here are some common email phrases you can use. The gentle beginning. Just a friendly reminder that I hope this email finds you well. A quick reminder, a friendly reminder. Or neutral requests. Please remember to. Could you please send the file by such and such a time? By Friday? By Monday, 3 p.m.? Or stronger follow ups. This is a final reminder before the deadline. We still haven't received the document. It's just stating the facts very clearly. So the grammar tip, use by time to show deadline. By 3 p.m., by 8 a.m., by Friday, 5 p.m. Be precise, exact, so that the person knows what to do. So let's practice together. You can say, just a quick reminder that our meeting starts in 10 minutes' time. Just a quick reminder that our meeting starts at 10. Now make it firmer. Please be ready by 10 sharp. Or just, please be ready by 10. The meeting starts. Again, could you please send the report by Friday morning? Could you please? Now, the final version. This is the final reminder. The deadline is today, 5 p.m. There's also useful closings. Thanks in advance. In advance. That means expecting something to be done and you're thanking the person before it has been done. Thanks in advance. Appreciate your help on this. Appreciate your help on this. Or please let me know if you need anything else. So each keeps your email warm but professional, business like. In May's story, John praised her because she was balanced on two things: kindness and clarity. Too soft and nothing happens. Too hard and the trust is hurt. The right tone gets results without damage. In professional English, a reminder is not nagging. It's responsibility with respect. So repeat with me. Don't sound rude, be clear. That's the mantra. Don't sound rude, but be clear. Be definite, be precise, be polite. You can be firm if you have to be, but never rude.